Hi everybody, this is Ellen from ellenvargodesigns.com. Today we're going to be making this Lollipop treat holder for Valentine's Day. So, it's real cute. And we're going to do some die cutting. And what makes today's project a little bit different is that we're going to do some partial die cutting. And I'm going to show you how to do that so that our heart will kind of fold in half. It won't be two hearts separated. And my cat just came by to say hello. Hopefully he won't stay. Oh. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is fold a piece of Designer Series paper in half. So I've chosen this from the Painted with Love set. And this piece measures 6 inches, so we're going to score it at 3. And that is the extent of our scoring. So we're just going to fold that in half and burnish. And then we're going to take this heart die and we're going to line it up. You can see on the back. Going to line it up just shy of that cut line so that it won't cut. It will only cut the places that the die meets the paper. So I'm going to line that up, and then I'm going to use some Post-it tape to hold the die in place. So if I kind of tack that on lightly and then line it up just so it's barely missing that cut line, and then press my die down and I'll get my big shot. I don't know if you'll be able to see it all. Zoom out a little bit. Just place my die there face down, the cutting plate on top, and run that through. And then I'm going to run it back the other way because we're cutting through 2 layers of cardstock. Get that out of the way. And then you'll see, get the Post-it tape off. You'll see that our die didn't cut all the way through the top of the heart. So we've got to fold. Then here's my cat. Say hello, Joe. Joe's going to watch. So we've got a folded heart here, piece of cake. So the only thing we have to do now is stamp a little sentiment. And of course, I think Joe is laying on everything I need. So, come on, Joe. Oh, he doesn't want to get up. He really doesn't want to get up. Come on. Come on. There you go. So we're going to stamp a sentiment. This is from the Label Me Pretty stamp set. There's one here called You're the Best. So it's not really technically for Valentine's Day, but it works. So we're going to use it. I'm going to use some Berry Burst ink and stamp that on some Whisper White. And then we will cut that out with a 1 1/4 inch circle punch. And then we'll use a 1 3/8 inch scallop circle punch as our base. You'll see me doing this a lot because I love these bunches. And let's get some dimensionals. I'm gonna pop that up over the scallop circle. And then put another dimensional on the back. And which side do we like better? Let's do the pink side. Pop that on. And then we'll take, oh, I have to go get a lollipop. I forgot to bring one over. Be right back. Here we go. So because the die did cut through the top of the heart, the middle, we have a hole, which is perfect for the lollipop to slip in. So slip that in. And then we're going to use some glue dots to hold it shut. So let's close up here. And get some mini glue dots. We'll put one, as you can see, one in the center near the bottom of the inside heart. And then line up our lollipop, press that into the glue dot, and then put another glue dot on top of the lollipop stick. Ooh. And then just press that down. Line it up and press that into place. And it's done. Yay. So I think that's real cute. Little lollipop treat. Great for kids, great for classmates or co-workers, spouses, anybody. Just a nice little treat to say you're the best. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me. Bye.